sa saksi, inilipat sa Pasay City Jail ngayong gabi si dating Bulacan 1st District Assistant Engineer Bryce Hernandez. Inilipat po siya roon mula sa PNP Custodial Center kung saan isang araw siyang nadetine matapos humarap sa pagdinig sa Kamara. Bago po yan, sa Senado nadetine si Hernandez matapos i-cite in contempt ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. Kanina mainit ang debate sa Senado ukol sa naunang paglilipat kay Hernandez sa PNP Custodial Center. Saksi, si Jamie Santos.
Maanghang ang salitang binitawan ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada sa kanyang privilege speech kanina sa Senado. Mariin niyang pinabulaanan muli ang pagdawit sa kanya ni Engineer Bryce Hernandez sa isyu ng kickback sa flood control project sa pagdinig ng Kamara kahapon.
I have been jailed. I have been vilified, crucified, and publicly humiliated. But I will never allow the likes of Bryce Hernandez to turn the tables on me.
Pagkatapos ng privilege speech, naungkat ang pagkakalipat kay Hernandez sa PNP Custodial Center. Na-contempt ng Senado si Hernandez sa pagdinig noong Lunes bago siya humarap sa pagdinig ng Kamara kahapon.
Martin Romualdez called me and said that their committee was allowing Mr. Hernandez to remain in the House and in the House of Representatives, and that he was requesting that he not be returned back to the Senate because of some fear for his life. I asked the Speaker what he plans, because we cannot allow that. I said he is under our custody and therefore he is in contempt in the Senate. Pag iniwan namin sa inyo, sabi ko, ibig sabihin niyan para namin pinawalan.
Kaya dinala si Hernandez sa PNP Custodial Center para nasa supervision pa rin ng Senate Sergeant at Arms.
Is there a possibility that we can commit him back here in the Senate?
Of course, during he is still under custody of the Senate, and therefore
Let him be jailed here, Mr. President.
indirects. We had to give in to the request of the Speaker.
As we speak, the jurisdiction of the person of Bryce Hernandez belongs to the Senate.
Yes, and that's why we can call him here anytime we need him.
Tanong ni Senate Minority Leader Alan Peter Cayetano, bagamat nire-respeto raw niya ang desisyon ni Soto, ito ba ang bagong patakaran ng Senado?
Because under the present rule, kung sino may jurisdiction, siya yung magde-decide. So,
What we did yesterday was what we call parliamentary courtesy in accepting the proposal that he be not returned here but still under the care of the Senate. We have also placed a witness to Muntinlupa, if you will recall. We also even sent somebody to the Pasay City Jail. So I don't see any reason why we cannot commit this particular fellow to the PNP Custodial Center.
Giit naman ng dating Blue Ribbon Chairman na si Senador Rodante Marcoleta, di dapat baguhin ang patakaran. Nagmosyon siyang ibalik si Hernandez sa Senado.
Not only because this is the condition that you gave them, but more importantly, in order to erase the perception that if he is here in the Senate, he is not safe. I will reject the idea that if he returns in the Senate, manganganib ang buhay niya.
Nagpatuloy ang mainit na palitan ng opinyon.
Ibig bang sabihin po, Mr. President, nawawala ng visa yung ginawa namin?
Hindi.
Ganun po pala.
He's still in legal custody.
So dapat po, igagalang po kung ano yung aming iniwan.
Yes,
Doon tayo magsisimula.
Ang iniwan ninyo, cite in contempt. And
Hindi po.
legal
Nasa
custody
legal
of the
custody
Senate.
na po ng,
He was still
ng House.
under the legal custody of the Senate.
Mr. President, may I ask for immediate suspension?
Session suspended.
Sa huli, nagmosyon si Estrada na ilipat na si Hernandez sa Pasay City Jail na agad namang sinang-ayunan ni Majority Leader Senator Mig Zubiri. Walang tumutol, kaya nagdesisyon si Soto na agad na ilipat ng USAA si Engineer Bryce Hernandez sa Pasay City Jail. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Jamie Santos, ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.